Hello, everyone. Fire safety is crucial in our daily lives. Have you ever wondered how to effectively and swiftly combat a fire when it breaks out? Today, we will learn about a key equipment, fire hydrants. Fire hydrants are not only guardians of our safety but also integral parts of the fire safety system. Fire hydrants are important tools for us. Mastering their types, components, and operation methods is essential for all of us when facing fire emergencies. Through this lesson, we aim to achieve the following objectives. 1. Understand the types and applications of fire hydrants. 2. Master the components and functions of fire hydrants. 3. Learn the correct operation methods of fire hydrants. Firstly, let's explore the different types of fire hydrants. Based on their usage scenarios and installation methods, fire hydrants are mainly classified into two types: indoor fire hydrants and outdoor fire hydrants. Indoor fire hydrants are typically installed inside buildings, whereas outdoor fire hydrants are installed outside buildings or along roadsides. They provide water supply for firefighting trucks to meet fire scene water demands or can be directly connected to water hoses to extinguish fires around the hydrant. Next, let's examine the components that make up fire hydrants. 1. Indoor fire hydrants. Indoor fire hydrants primarily consist of a hydrant box, hydrant valve, fire hoses, firefighting nozzles, hose reels, alarm buttons, and other components. 1. Hydrant box. This component houses and protects the hydrant. It is usually made of metal or other fire-resistant materials, with corrosion resistance and impact resistance. 2. Hydrant valve. This is the main part of the hydrant, which can be opened or closed by rotating or pulling, controlling the flow of water. Inside the valve, there is usually a valve that controls the flow of water. 3. Fire hoses. These are flexible hoses used to convey firefighting water. There are two types: rubber-lined hoses and woven hoses. The hoses are equipped with interfaces, with one end connected to the hydrant and the other end connected to the firefighting nozzle, enabling smooth water flow to the fire scene. 4. Firefighting nozzle. This device directs water flow from the hose in a specific direction, used to directly target and extinguish the fire source. 5. Hose reel. It is a device that integrates the firefighting hose and reel, facilitating quick deployment of hoses for firefighting during emergencies. 6. Alarm button. Usually placed conspicuously on the hydrant box, pressing the button triggers the alarm system in case of fire or other emergencies, notifying relevant personnel for action. 2. Outdoor fire hydrants. Outdoor fire hydrants mainly consist of a valve body, interface, inlet, outlet, switch, and other components. The valve body is the main part of the fire hydrant, housing an internal valve that controls the flow of water. The interface is used to connect firefighting hoses, while the inlet serves as the water inlet, connected to the water supply network. The outlet is the water outlet, directly facing the fire source. The switch is used to control the opening and closing of the valve. Finally, let's learn about the operation method of fire hydrants together. When operating a fire hydrant, first open the door of the hydrant box. Then, connect one end of the firefighting hose to the hydrant's interface and the other end to the nozzle aimed at the fire source. Next, locate and turn the switch of the fire hydrant to open the valve. During the operation, ensure that the hose is securely connected without any leaks. Finally, adjust the water flow by controlling the switch to effectively extinguish the fire. When operating a fire hydrant, it is important to pay attention to the following key points to ensure safe and effective use. 1. Check the fire hydrant's condition. Before using the fire hydrant, always inspect its operational status to ensure it is in good condition. 2. Prioritize personal safety. When operating the fire hydrant, stand in a safe zone and swiftly open the water valve. Also, keep a safe distance from the water outlet to avoid being hit by the ejected water, which could cause injury. 3. Control water supply. Before starting to release water, ensure an adequate nearby water supply. During water discharge, adjust the valve according to the fire size and required water volume to avoid wasting water resources. 4. Prevent water impact. When using the fire hydrant, avoid directing the ejected water directly onto flammable materials to prevent larger fires or injuries caused by water impact. 5. Proper hose connection and deployment. when laying out the hose, avoid contact with sharp objects to prevent punctures. Additionally, ensure the hose is not twisted or bent to maintain optimal water flow. When connecting the firefighting nozzle and hose, ensure a tight seal to prevent water leakage. 6. Confirm power supply status. When fighting fires, confirm whether the power supply at the scene has been disconnected to ensure safety. Let's actively learn and promote the correct operation methods of fire hydrants, ensuring that we can operate them swiftly and accurately during critical moments to effectively contain fires and safeguard lives and property. Today, we have collectively learned about the types, components, and operation methods of fire hydrants. Fire safety is of utmost importance, and I hope everyone can share the knowledge learned with those around them to raise awareness of fire safety. We must always remember that mastering proper fire safety knowledge is essential for protecting ourselves and others' lives and property during critical moments. Let's work together to build a safe campus and contribute to constructing a harmonious society. Thank you for your attention.